Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for project management? You're not alone. Many teams struggle with information silos and double entry errors. Meet Capsule, the all-in-one platform for seamless project management. With Capsule, your team gains complete visibility over projects. This leads to improved collaboration and a focus on exceptional customer experiences. Experience flexible, customizable project boards that empower teams to break down tasks effectively. Our Tracks feature ensures consistency, allowing teams to maintain high-quality service every time. Stay updated with real-time project visibility, easily tracking workload and potential bottlenecks. Define processes to accelerate workflow efficiency, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Integrate Capsule with your favorite software to elevate your project management capabilities. Ready to enhance your project management? Try Capsule's free version or explore our 14-day trial today. Don't miss out on transforming your workflow.